Viewers, you can see thousands of devotees. They are crossing the square in front of Pune Municipal Corporation, and there's a huge traffic here. And this is a Palki procession. Lakhs and lakhs of devotees who are coming from Alandi are going to Pandharpur, and this is a 21 days journey. By Ashadi Ekadashi, all of them would reach Pandharpur. It's not a routine thing. It's about a custom. It's about the Palki procession. You can see thousands of people from Varkari Samudaya with chanting going to Pandharpur. But when it comes to interview, it's not always important to interview the key people or IAS or politician. People who are connected with ground, people who have their feet on ground, the people who are on ground, they are also important for the democracy. तुम्ही नेमकं काय करताय? पालखीमध्ये आलाय?
हो.
आणि हे काय आहे तुमच्या याच्यात या डब्यात काय? काका थोडं साइडला सर. याच्यात काय?
अष्टगंध. अष्टगंध.
So he's saying this is अष्टगंध. आणि
बुक्का.
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 आणि याचं तुम्ही काय करता?
आम्ही
कॅमेराकडे बघा.
आम्ही ह्याच्या माऊली भक्तांना आम्ही सेवा करतो. कोणी देव नाहीतर नाही देव, पण आम्ही सेवा माऊलीचे.
मलाही लावून दाखवा ना ते कसं. So he's saying it is
हरे राम कृष्ण हरे पांडुरंग,
हरे राम कृष्ण हरी पांडुरंगा,
हरे वासुदेव हरे विठ्ठला भगवंता
विठ्ठला माऊली.
तुकाराम.
So it's a seva which is being done for all the devotees who are under this procession and who are going. Cameraman, you can show there thousands and thousands of devotees who are going from Alandi to Pandharpur, and they have with them the statue of Jnaneshwar Mauri, the god Jnaneshwar Bhagwan. And by coming Ashadi Ekadashi, the procession will reach at Pandharpur. तुम्ही किती वर्षापासून जाताय?
25 वर्ष झाले.
तुमचं नाव काय?
सुदाम जाधव.
Mr. Sudham Jadhav has been participating in this procession of Jnaneshwar Mauli since last 25 years.
जालना जिल्हा, जालना जिल्ह्यातले.
He's from Jalna Jilla, Jalna district. तुम्ही जालनावरून इथे आलाय?
हा, जालन्यावरून इथं आलेले
पालखीसाठी.
पालखीसाठी.
आणि किती वर्षापासून तुम्ही असं पुण्यात येताय?
25-30 वर्ष झाली याला इथं.
25. So he has been participating in Palki since last 25 years in the similar way.
आम्ही 6 वर्ष झालं ह्या दिंडी माऊलीच्या दिंडीमध्ये चालू आहे. ह्याच्यामध्ये ऐकता आनंद होतो. कधी जावा आणि कधी आम्हाला असे वाटते की आम्हाला गावाकडली आठवण येत नाही. हीच आम्हाला माऊलीची सेवा आहे. हीच आम्हाला सर्व.
He's calling this as a memorable procession, and he has been participating in this since last 6 years. The moment he participates, there is the kind of enjoyment, the kind of satisfaction which he get, that is incomparable. तुम्ही किती वर्षापासून येताय?
16 वर्ष.
16 years. तुम्ही?
12 वर्ष.
He has been coming since last 12 years. तुम्ही किती वर्षापासून येताय? किती वर्षापासून दिंडीत येताय?
3 वर्ष आले.
काय नाव तुमचं?
कचरू गेनू गोटकुले.
Mr. Gotkole has been participating in the dindi since last 3 years. Maushi, तुम्ही?
3 वर्ष झाले.
Maushi is also coming since last 3 years. So the complete environment is dedicated to Jnaneshwar Mauli with the chant related to the puja and archana of Jnaneshwar Mauli. For Punekar News, Tikam Shekhawat.